Hello, everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to create a Hotspot video, and don't forget that can do same for audio by dragging the audio icon. Let's drag and drop the video icon to this position. As you can see, you could display this content on hover or on a click event. You can also disable or enable fancy box. Now I did add an URL video to test. Here we are. I can now hover to my video and playing it. That's it. Now, in order to modify this content, let's click on Hotspot Actions, then to Video section. I can now, as I will show you, modify the displayable content from hover event to a click event, which allows where when users clicks on a hotspot video to see its render always in 3D dimensions. Let's test it. Let's play the video and move the panorama. As you can see, the video will still glued to the hotspot until user clicks on the hotspot again to make it disappear. After that, let's test the fancy box functionality. Let's enable a fancy box. Let's make the content displayable on the hover and then update the preview. Now, let's click on the hotspot to see the beautiful fancy box showing my video. Isn't stunning? All these configurations are similar to audio hotspot. And don't forget to save changes and see your updates. See you in other videos, and thanks for watching.